Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the Ethereum chart, we've seen a reaction to the micro support area. We talked about that in the video earlier today. I just really want to give you a quick intraday update because not too much happened, really. Okay, not too much happened. We've seen a little bit of upside today, so rather friendly day today, but we haven't really broken out. We have, however, seen, as I said, a reaction to the micro support area here of our B wave, and the expectations are for a C wave to develop. I haven't seen enough to really clearly confirm that this is what's happening, but at the moment, price action looks quite constructive. I would still, though, keep my eyes on alternatives. Okay, and I would pay attention here possibly to this trend line that I'm putting on the chart right now. It could offer some resistance. These trend lines are to a degree subjective, but I would pay attention to it because it's quite an obvious one. But at the moment, it looks to me as if this C wave might have started. Not with a lot of momentum, but possibly some upside momentum, obviously, but not a lot of momentum because it's Saturday, okay? Now, if the C wave has started from here, this is wave C in the larger B wave, I like to see the price get to 3,820. But to be honest, to confirm further that this is actually what's happening, I'd like to see a break above the descending trend line. So that would need to happen next, and then a break above the A wave high, which is at $3,590. And then we can target sort of here this C wave target at around $3,818. All of that is embedded in a larger correction of an A, B, C structure. And this is sort of what I'm tracking primarily. I mean, I cannot rule out that maybe this is even turning into a triangle. Yeah. But at the moment, I'm just tracking this as an A, B, C structure in which the B wave is currently still unfolding as an ABC itself. The higher the B wave goes, the better for the overall bullish scenario on the ETH chart. If you are wondering what these different scenarios are on the larger time frame, I can encourage you to check my last video from earlier today in which I covered 3 scenarios on the daily time frame and also covered what likely would happen if we see a break below the $2,977 level, which is the lower boundary line of our support area here on the 30-minute, 1-hour chart. So yeah, I think, obviously the assumption is that this C wave is now moving. As I said, the higher it goes, the better for the overall, let's say, bullish scenario and thesis for the ETH chart. I will keep focusing on the idea that this C wave is unfolding until we are breaking below the Friday low, so below 3,250. What happens then? Well, then it will definitely will be challenged. I mean, it can always morph into, this B wave could, for example, just extend as, for example, a larger ABC structure. That's always possible. Bear in mind, we are dealing here at the moment with corrective structures and they can trick you. It's just that, I don't have very clear confirmation that this C wave has already started. So it's possible wave B is extending. And I just want to share with you what do you need to expect in case we break below the Friday low. Well, see, in this case, it could be that the move down was just A, we're doing B, come down and C, and then restart this move to the upside. That's possible, and it would still go according to plan, and we haven't broken any support. It would simply be a reset of wave B, the labeling of wave B. Is it possible that wave C has started to the downside? This is wave C of 4. Yes, but it would probably just be a diagonal pattern. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And maybe if we're lucky, the support area will hold. But chances are it will break because the C wave will run out of space. So yeah, basically what would be really good for ETH, and ETH is desperate for it, is this high B wave. The higher it goes, the better for the bullish thesis around ETH. Not really much more to add. I don't think we can get any more clarity out of this chart. It's messy. That's completely normal. We're in a corrective pattern. Okay, so that's just what we have to expect. So still, we try to reduce the uncertainty to a certain degree as much as we can. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.